Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been.
Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I really want to take a break, but I have so much to do, I don't think I can afford to take one. I accept myself anyway. And even though I just have so much to do, and I want to take a break, but I don't think I can afford to, I accept myself anyway. And even though there's just so much to do, I wish I could take a break, but I don't think I can. I accept myself anyway. Top of the head. I wish I could take a break. I just wish I could take a break. Side of the eye. There's just so much to do, I don't think I can take a break. I really don't think I can take a break. There's just so much for me to do. I don't think I could take a break. I can't take a break. I can't take a break. There's just so much to do. I can't take a break. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath and relax. And once you've worked through that feeling of I just can't take a break and gotten it down to about a 2 or less, then move on to the next round, which is a reframe, and it'll help you get a different perspective on things. So keep tapping. And repeat after me. Even though there's a part of me that feels that I just can't take a break, I honor myself in this feeling. And even though there's a part of me that feels like I just can't take a break, I'm open to the idea that taking a break would be beneficial for me and the people around me. And even though there's a part of me that's resisting taking a break, I honor myself and this feeling. Top of the head. Maybe taking a break would actually help me. Eyebrow. Maybe if I take a break, I'll be able to think a bit clearer. Side of the eye. Maybe if I take a break, I'll be able to have new and fresh ideas. Under the eye. Maybe if I set aside some time for myself, under the nose, I'll be better able to handle what comes at me. Under the nose. Maybe taking a break is the best thing I can do in order to get everything done. Collarbone. I'm open to the idea that I deserve to take a break. Under the arm. It's okay to take a break. Good. Go ahead and take a deep breath and relax. Good job. How are you feeling now? Ready to take a break? I hope so.
Without the joy that surrounds you.